Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you share your location on your iPhone to someone. So in iPhone, the location setting is quite difficult, not difficult, it's quite unknown. How can you do and how can you solve that issue? So firstly, you just have to go on your setting option here and make sure that you have switched on your location option on your iPhone, because without it you cannot do anything. So in search bar you can find and type location here. This is location and switch it on from here. And now you can go to your Apple map. Also, if you don't want to use Apple applications, then you can download your Google Maps here and simply click at your location. You can go to WhatsApp, you can go to Snapchat, or also you can send this location to anyone which you want, like this. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.